Get ready to dive under the sea and meet the coolest ocean animals ever. Let's dive in. Octopus.
Octopus.
The octopus has 8 long arms and no bones. It can squirting to escape from danger. This clever sea creature can even open jars. Dolphin.
Dolphin.
Dolphins are smart and playful animals that love to jump out of the water. They talk to each other with clicks and whistles. Dolphins live in groups called pods. Shark.
Shark.
Sharks have sharp teeth and are super swimmers. Some sharks look scary, but not all of them are dangerous. They've been around since before the dinosaurs. Whale.
Whale.
Whales are the biggest animals on Earth. They sing songs underwater to talk to each other. Some whales eat tiny creatures called krill. Sea turtle.
Sea turtle.
Sea turtles have hard shells and flippers for swimming. They can live a very long time in the ocean. Baby turtles hatch from eggs and race to the sea. Clownfish.
Clownfish.
Clownfish are bright orange with white stripes. They live safely inside sea anemones. You might remember one from a famous movie. Jellyfish.
Jellyfish.
Jellyfish have soft, wobbly bodies and long stingers. They float like umbrellas through the ocean. Be careful, they can give a little sting. Starfish.
Starfish.
Starfish aren't really fish, but they live in the sea. They usually have 5 arms and can grow new ones if they lose them. They move very slowly across the ocean floor. Crab.
Crab.
Crabs have hard shells and walk sideways. They use their big claws to catch food and protect themselves. Some crabs hide in holes or under rocks. Seahorse.
Seahorse.
Seahorses are tiny fish that swim upright. The daddy seahorse carries the babies in his pouch. They have curly tails they use to hold onto plants. Walrus.
Walrus.
Walruses are big, blubbery animals with long tusks. They live in cold places and like to rest on ice. Walruses use their tusks to climb out of the water. Seal.
Seal.
Seals are playful swimmers with smooth bodies. They love to slide on ice and splash in the sea. Seals bark and make funny noises. Orca.
Orca.
Orcas are black and white whales with big teeth. They are great hunters and swim in family groups. Orcas are also known as killer whales, but they are actually dolphins. Anglerfish.
Anglerfish.
Anglerfish live deep in the dark ocean. They have a glowing light on their head to attract prey. They look scary but are really cool. Lobster.
Lobster.
Lobsters have strong claws and hard shells. They crawl on the ocean floor looking for food. Some lobsters can live for many years. Eel.
Eel.
Eels look like long, slippery snakes. They can hide in small cracks and swim like ribbons. Some eels have sharp teeth. Pufferfish.
Pufferfish.
Pufferfish puff up like balloons when they feel scared. They have little spikes all over their body. Some pufferfish are super colorful. Stingray.
Stingray.
Stingrays have flat bodies and long tails. They glide like kites through the water. Some stingrays hide in the sand. Manatee.
Manatee.
Manatees are big, gentle sea animals. People call them sea cows because they eat lots of plants. They float slowly in warm, shallow water. Sea otter.
Sea otter.
Sea otters are furry and float on their backs. They use rocks to crack open clams. Otters hold hands when they sleep so they don't drift apart. Penguin.
Penguin.
Penguins are birds that can't fly, but they swim really well. They live in cold places and waddle on the ice. Penguins keep warm with thick feathers. Murray eel.
Murray eel.
Murray eels hide in coral reefs and peek out with sharp teeth. They have long, twisty bodies. They open and close their mouths to breathe. Sea lion.
Sea lion.
Sea lions have flippers and love to bark loudly. They can walk on land and swim super fast. Sea lions like to play and balance balls on their noses. Coral.
Coral.
Corals look like colorful rocks, but they're made of tiny animals. They build big reefs that become homes for many sea creatures. Coral reefs are like underwater cities. Barracuda.
Barracuda.
Barracudas are fast fish with pointy teeth. They love to zoom through the water. They look scary but are fun to watch from far away. Hermit crab.
Hermit crab.
Hermit crabs live in empty shells to stay safe. When they grow, they find a bigger shell. They are funny and love to explore. Beluga whale?
Beluga whale.
Beluga whales are white and look like they're always smiling. They live in icy waters and make lots of funny sounds. People call them canaries of the sea. Lionfish.
Lionfish.
Lionfish have beautiful stripes and long spines. They glide slowly and eat little fish. Be careful, their spines can sting. Sea anemone.
Sea anemone.
Sea anemones look like underwater flowers. They have wiggly arms to catch food. Clownfish love to live inside them. Flying fish.
Flying fish.
Flying fish can jump out of the water and glide through the air. They use their big fins like wings. They zoom away from predators with a splash. Thanks for diving into the ocean with us and meeting all these amazing sea animals. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun animal adventures. See you next time.